Krista Seiden, Analytics Advocate at Google.
And I'm Ashish Vij, an Analytics Specialist at Google.
Welcome to Getting Started with Google Analytics 360. If you've completed our Analytics Academy course, Advanced Google Analytics, and you want to learn how you can take advantage of the enterprise-level features you gain from Analytics 360, this is the course for you.
Google Analytics 360 provides tools and support for large enterprises. With Analytics 360, you have access to advanced features such as roll-up reporting, custom funnels, unsampled reports, and custom tables, in addition to all the standard analytics features and reports. In this course, we'll cover these advanced features in more detail and share examples of how your business can leverage them for success.
In addition to integrations you get with the standard version, Google Analytics 360 offers a seamless integration with Google BigQuery. BigQuery is a data warehouse that's part of Google Cloud and enables you to combine your analytics data with other data sources for customized analysis.
You also get access to native integrations with DoubleClick products with no retagging required and instant activation. In this course, you'll learn about these powerful integrations and gain insight into how they can be used.
Analytics 360 also gives you access to Datadriven attribution, which uses your actual Google Analytics data to generate a custom model for each of your conversions. Learn more about data-driven attribution by reviewing the link at the end of the lesson.
Google Analytics 360 includes guarantees regarding data collection, enhanced data freshness, unlimited data, and unsampled reporting.
You also get more views per web property, more custom dimensions and metrics per property, and access to dedicated support specialists. If you already have access to an Analytics 360 account, this course will help familiarize you with its features and capabilities.
And if you don't already have access, you can use this course to learn about what's possible with all that Google Analytics 360 has to offer.